Alright, this is going to be a quick example of how you can quickly transfer equipment module devices to a document. For example, we have here an exhaust EM that is configured to have these modules, and often in documentation there would be a list showing all these equipment modules and their associated devices. So let's open up a sample document, and you notice that I'm placing a cursor here, and there's a tool at the top left here. And before we do that, before to link it, we need to enable the word table fill. And it's currently grayed out. To link it, this tool to the word document, we hit W, and now it's enabled. So we go to tools. Now word table fill is there. You select it, and you get this message. Typically, what happens is when you open up this tool, if the cursor is inside a Word document, you'll scan the very top left column and gather information from it. And if it's not inside a table like we've shown here, you get this message. But for what I'm going to show it, it's going to be okay. Just select OK, and this is going to appear. There are many uses for this tool, but rather than going through all of them now, I just want to give a specific example. So you click on this button to show the second feature of this tool, and currently let's load a pre-configured file which I've done earlier called devices, and this is what it looks like. And we're going to use a drag and drop. So for maybe in the future we can have a query where we query for all equipment modules name MEX exhaust EM, but right now to get what we want, we just select it, drop it there, go to here, drop it there, and then we just go down and do that for all of them. So this, drop, drop, drop. See, as you drag and drop, it fills up this list, and we just get these for now. So the way this is done is that we have an equipment module, and we're going to transfer one at a time here. Transfer one. So what it's going to do is it's going to create a table called device 1 to device 8, and it's going to take, it works on the principle like watch it. So when you select this, you'll see that this is the path that it's going to generate and put into a algorithm which basically gets the device 1 module name, which is in this case for this module is this, and you can go through and you can see what it's being attached to. So once you do this, what you'll do is you put the cursor there and you hit transfer. Then in this case it's only transferring one. So for this equipment module T665, which I believe is this guy, and you notice that 212, 450 PIC 223, 225 basically transfer into there. Now if you have a document that needs to have all these information, you can say transfer all. Let's delete this and transfer all, and it's as easy as that. Now in the future, let's say this is the original document and you want to, let's 660, select 660. This is just a side thing. You could do a compare. So you could analyze table. Here are your devices. You can do a lookup and you can compare. See, no valid selection. So there's nothing that means this table is correct. Say for example, the original document, this is 79, and we asked to verify that to make sure these values are correct. Again, we're going to say we're going to analyze the table, store these into this table, and we're going to use the lookup table and do a compare. There it tells us that in the FHX for this device 4, it's giving us 80, but it's 79 in the document. So this is useful for later on when we got a whole bunch of equipment modules where we need to compare to make sure it's up to date, and this tool is very useful for that. Let's do another example here. Let's change this to 108 to 108A, and this is information for T661. So we analyze the table, and we're going to use the lookup table, and then we can compare. There we go. And you can see yes, you change it or just leave it, or whatever you want. So you say yes, you automatically change it for you. That ends the demonstration for this tool. Thank you very much.